Today I am going to show you how to create this little fireworks scene outside your fairy door. You can see all I have used is one of those little sparkly cocktail stick things that you get in ice cream sundaes or cocktails that quite often we save, don't we? When we go out to dinner we slip them in our bags, or the kids bring them home with them. What a wonderful use. That looks like a little sparkler there going off, stuck in a little fairy bucket. I've also made myself a bonfire just out of twigs that I've collected from the garden. And then if you have a look at all around the floor, I have sprinkled some star sequins that I just got from the craft shop, but you might want to use glitter, or you might want to use coloured sequins. You might want to stick some on your wall as well to look like the fireworks are going up around your fairy door. So that's just one simple, cheap, easy little scene that your little ones are really gonna love when they come down tomorrow morning and see the firework display for Fireworks Day outside the fairy door. So I see you all again soon. Bye.